The other day I was looking for some welding cables for my other welder, and there was a box full on a local website for $1 reserve, and I ended up getting it for 30 bucks. And in that box too there was this Chinese welder, long life brand welder. It's an 80 amp, I'd say, 220 volt input and a 50% duty cycle. It's got an all wood chassis, that's all wood, and it's got no sort of body on it, it's just open. It's got an on light and the coils and all out of here. And this doesn't meet any safety standards because that's the 220 volt input. You just attach a couple of wires from the wall to there. It's pretty crude. And this thing's brand new, like it's probably never been used. It's got like a bit of webbing for a handle on the top. It's really heavy. That on light is just a couple of small wires wrap around the core a tiny bit. And it's got fast and slow settings. Fast, for some reason, number 1, I think that's 80 amp, and then the lower 2 is the slow. Very strange. It's like one of those homemade things which is made on a street corner. Here's the handpiece and the clamp. And I had to put some of my homemade terminals on the end, it didn't have any. There's nowhere to put an earth. And that's just a cord off an old cheese toasty maker. Try it on fast first. It's humming. I'll lay a couple beads on this bit of 6mm. It's grunty. I'd say that's more than 80 amps. I'd say it's over 100. I'll weld this bit of 6mm to this bit of 10mm. That's way better than one of those welders which they sell at the hardware store, which claims to be 120 amps. Yeah, they couldn't do that. Yep, so basically it pisses over one of those hardware store welders which claims to be more amps. So it gets the thumbs up from me.